Good afternoon. It's February 20th, 2024, and today I'm looking at this as this spike and channel down, and about 9:30, between 9:30 and 10 a.m. we had this overshoot, which led to a break. Here's how it looks on the daily chart. This is the MES, but I'm sure it's very similar on the ES. We just came down and tested the EMA. So yeah, we had a spike and channel down, or you could look at it like this: break, couple legs down to a new low before going sideways. You could look at it like that, or you could look at it like this was a broader channel. We have a break, move to a new low over here. Really doesn't matter. So anyway, 5 o'clock comes in this congestion, so you're really not trying to do anything here. You're just trying to sit tight. No setup to go short up here. I mean, the signal bar is not really good. Maybe you consider that though. And then we come down here and we test this price level, and we start to go higher. So honestly, maybe you take this one, that failed second entry short. But with this doji and this doji here, it's just not the greatest setup. We have resistance here. So we come up here and lower high, lower high. So that's failed second entry long, but it's above the EMA. But maybe you take that, especially if you see this trend channel. And you can see a lot of people like that. And I'm guessing a lot of people like that simply because like a lot of the bias is down, and a lot of these moves on the open just get reversed, and that's what happened. And you can see we hit that measured move before people started taking profits. And the bulls couldn't do a whole lot. Prices went lower. The breakout failed. Comes back in here, and you get a second entry short right off that price level. So I think that's worth a scalp. Going for a scalp on. And this turns out to be support. And then we get this rally. And this rally wasn't, extremely strong. We got a lot of dojis in here, bearish bars. So, don't bet it all on this. It's just a correction. Turns out we go into another bear channel here. I don't see good setups in here. Come over here, you got a second entry short, but this looks like a channel, so you just got to be careful. But then when you get this lower high outside bar, maybe you consider that. It's off the trend channel. Plenty of people like that. Sold off, so this is an overshoot, and then we get this sell climax, and that leads to this channel up. Now we're finally making higher highs. Get a higher low right here. Just not a lot of good looking, or not any good setups in here. Maybe you look at this as a double bottom, failed first, failed second entry short. And if you see this channel and see the overshoot, maybe you risk that, but that's risky. And so I believe we're just bouncing off of the overnight lows, or not the overnight lows, what I believe to be the lows of this bearish move. I mean, well, I guess that's not a good way of putting it either. We're just bouncing off this price level here. And so, who knows what's going to happen from here. But that's how I saw it today. And again, here's the daily chart. Just tested the EMA, but we're making a higher low so far. So anyway, I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.